How can you create videos from text with artificial intelligence? Synthesia.io. AI has become pretty popular in the video making industry, making the whole process much easier and quicker than ever before. You can now make customized videos according to your taste by just typing the content in text. Doesn't that sound like a dream come true? I mean, if you're a video content creator, you surely know all the hustle it is. Apps like Synthesia.io have greatly simplified the process of video creation with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is being used not only for post-production, but also for pre-production. From video editing to color creation and motion graphics to video compression, AI serves you all. In video editing, AI-powered video editing tools can automatically sort and organize footage, identify the best shots, and even generate a rough cut of the video. This saves your time and demands less effort for video editors. As far as color correction is concerned, AI algorithms are being used to analyze and adjust the colors in a video, making it easier to achieve a consistent look and feel across different shots. AI gives mind-blowing results in motion graphics. It can be used to generate 2D and 3D animations, adding special effects and video elements to videos. AI potentially optimizes the compression of videos, reducing their file size without sacrificing quality. Not only that, you can use AI for object and scene recognition, as AI algorithms can automatically identify objects and scenes in a video, making it easier to index and search through footage. Overall, AI is enabling video makers to create better, more efficient, and more engaging content, helping to take the video making process to the next level. You might have heard of Synthesia.io. It's a web-based platform that provides a range of music learning and synthesizer tools. This app allows users to play and learn piano using their computer or mobile device, with features such as a virtual keyboard, sheet music display, and lessons. Synthesia.io aims to make music education accessible and engaging by providing a user-friendly interface and a variety of learning resources. The platform supports MIDI files, allowing users to play along with their favorite songs, and offers various customization options, such as adjusting the speed and difficulty level of the lessons. Overall, Synthesia.io is a comprehensive music learning and synthesizer tool that can be used by individuals of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced pianists. This is a great music education software, and a great pick for you if you're a music lover. It will help you learn and play piano or keyboard, and create videos from text. To get started, first of all, create an account with Synthesia. Next is to choose a video style from the available templates which fit your demands. You can now upload your text content and images to the platform. Synthesia allows you to customize the look and feel of your video, such as adding background music, adjusting the color scheme, and adding transitions. When you think you're done, review your video to make sure it is to your liking. Once you're sure you have the results that you're desiring, export your video and save it to your computer or share it directly from the platform. That's how simple it is. Hope you got some value out of this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned.